Hello again. I'm having lots of fun on the tractor. This recap, this is a diesel TEF20 1956 Ferguson tractor, which I got out of a Hedgerow, look in the previous videos. Today, I can honestly say it's just about finished on the mechanical side. It's all done. I even got the plough working the other day. So, want to see the plough working? Watch this. So to start it up, because I know some of you out there are going to wonder the logistics of this, you start it up on the gear stick. That's so you can't start it in gear and drive it off. There's a button here, which is a safety. So you push it over, lift to there, put your foot on the brake and put your heel of your foot on that button. Okay, push it forward. It starts. Then you engage power takeoff down here. Put the clutch down, push that back, that lever, that one there. You push that one back. Now the power takeoff is working, which means the hydraulics will work. So, here, there is a button or lever. If I pull this forward, the plough goes down. If I pull this button backwards, goes up. There's it down. Well, there's it up. So, because I've got the plough up, I'm going to disengage the power takeoff. So I'll put the clutch down, pull this lever forward. Now the power takeoff is disengaged, which means the hydraulics won't work, but it will stay up. Now we can put the clutch down again, select a gear. So this has got first, second, third, fourth, start and reverse. Now that doesn't mean you go first like a car and then you put the clutch down into second, then into third, then into fourth. It doesn't work like that. First has got the maximum torque. Second has got a little bit more speed, a little bit less torque. Third has got less speed, more speed and less torque. This one's got more speed and less torque. So if you're going to plough or you're going to do little manoeuvres, you want to go into first. So you start it off in first and you stay in first. If you want to drive on the road, you might want to go straight into fourth. Now you drive into fourth and it will go straight fast. Well, I say fast, it will get quicker. You can, however, if you're nimble and a little bit fitter like I am, you can put it from first and then drop the clutch and push it into second. But you don't need to. You can pull off in each one of these gears. A cold start, you push that button there in on a cold start, and that's like a choke. See that button just there? You push it in, and that's a cold start. So, what the latest thing I've done on it, this is just an update. Is I've put auxiliary tank back on, Kai gas back on, plumbed it all in. So all we've got to do now is get the on and off valve for the auxiliary tank wired up or plumbed in to here and get rid of this bypass. So we close that up like that, shut it down, Starts very simple, very easily now. Over to start, push it forward. Film the cat. Okay, here we go. I think you'll agree we've done a good job of pulling it out of that old hedgerow and getting it going. What's it been, about 6 weeks? Now I have actually got an MG40 Ransoms crawler in the workshop, so if you haven't seen that, look back on my videos. I should be getting it out soon and starting it up. So we've got 2 tractors now. We've got the Ransoms and we've got this one. Obviously the Ransom's got tank tracks, so have a look back in my videos if you want to see that one. There is a video of us recovering that, but unfortunately the camera was on slightly low pixels, so the quality's not great. But you can still see exactly what we're up to. Well, thanks for watching. This is an update. What's the next step? Who knows? Maybe I shall buy an old army ferret next. I fancy one of them. If you don't know what it is, Google it. 1960s ferret. I've got my eye on one and I'm going to try and get it. Thanks for watching.